Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's detail the key obstacles in sustaining performance of cost to serve in a contact center. Wage inflation and labor market pressure. Agent wages and benefits make up 60 to 70% of total cost to serve. When wages rise, whether in offshore or nearshore delivery hubs like India, the Philippines, or Latin America, or because of new minimum wage laws, the cost denominator increases significantly. Even a modest 5 to 10% wage increase can destabilize CTS if volumes don't grow or efficiency doesn't improve. That's why controlling labor efficiency and scaling productivity are critical to protecting margins in a rising wage environment. High attrition and replacement costs. High attrition is one of the biggest threats to a stable cost to serve. In many BPO environments, attrition rates of 30 to 40% are common. This means constant cycles of rehiring, onboarding, and training. Each time an agent leaves, productivity drops during the ramped-up period, driving up the cost per interaction and inflating CTS. Simply put, workforce instability erodes efficiency, weakens cost control, and makes sustaining a healthy cost to serve much harder. Shrinkage and productivity loss. Shrinkage is another major factor that drives up cost to serve. It includes paid but unproductive hours, like time spent in training, absenteeism, breaks, or non-productive administrative work. When shrinkage is high, agents handle fewer interactions per wage dollar. This directly increases cost to serve and weakens operational efficiency. Controlling shrinkage is one of the most effective ways to boost productivity and protect margins. Operational inefficiencies. Operational inefficiencies are a silent but powerful driver of rising cost to serve. High average handle time means more labor time spent per contact, increasing the cost of each interaction. Low first contact resolution leads to repeat contacts, inflating interaction volume without adding revenue. And errors in forecasting and workforce management often result in either overstaffing, which wastes cost, or understaffing, which triggers expensive overtime and SLA risks. Improving these operational levers is essential to keep cost to serve lean, efficient, and predictable. Technology and infrastructure costs. Technology and infrastructure are essential for contact center operations, but they can also quietly inflate cost to serve. Rising license fees for ACD, CRM, WFM, AI and chatbot platforms, and CPaaS tools add a growing cost burden year over year. Legacy systems with high maintenance requirements can further push CTS upward, limiting agility and scalability. And in today's hybrid environment, work-from-home enablement, including devices, VPNs, and IT support, introduces hidden overhead that often goes unnoticed. Without active cost management and modernization, these technology expenses can significantly impact overall cost to serve. Compliance and security burden. Compliance and security are non-negotiable in today's contact center environment, but they come with a cost. Strict regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI-DSS require additional controls, ongoing audits, and continuous monitoring to stay compliant. These compliance costs tend to increase steadily over time, but they don't always scale with interaction volume. That means even if your volume stays flat, your cost to serve can keep climbing year after year. Managing compliance efficiently through automation and smarter governance is key to keeping these costs under control. Volume volatility. Volume volatility can have a major impact on cost to serve. Seasonal demand spikes, like retail holidays or tax season, can strain capacity and drive temporary costs higher. Unexpected events such as outages, product recalls, or crises can also create sudden surges in volume that disrupt staffing and planning. But it's not just the peaks that matter. Low volume periods reduce economies of scale, causing fixed costs to be spread over fewer interactions and inflating CTS. Stabilizing volume or building flexible capacity models is essential to protect cost to serve during both high and low demand cycles. Channel mix shifts. Channel mix plays a crucial role in controlling cost to serve, and sudden shifts can drive costs up fast. A spike in voice interactions, which is typically the most expensive channel, can quickly raise overall CTS. Under-adoption of self-service options and chatbots forces more customers into agent-assisted channels, which are costlier to support. Without deliberate channel steering and proactive digital adoption, CTS remains elevated, putting unnecessary pressure on margins. Over-automation risk. While automation is a powerful tool for lowering cost per contact, too much reliance on it can backfire. In per-transaction pricing models, excessive automation may reduce billable volume, creating an imbalance between cost savings and revenue generation. Poorly designed bots with low containment rates can also increase repeat contacts, which paradoxically drives CTS up instead of down. The key is finding the right balance between automation efficiency and commercial impact, ensuring technology enhances rather than undermines cost to serve performance. External economic and market factors. External economic forces can significantly influence cost to serve, often beyond the control of the operation. Currency fluctuations are a key example. Offshore centers that bill in US dollars or British pounds but pay wages in local currencies like INR or PHP can face sudden cost shifts. During economic downturns, clients may push for rate cuts or tighter commercial terms, while operational costs remain fixed or even rise. And unforeseen events like natural disasters or pandemics can drive up infrastructure and redundancy costs needed to maintain business continuity. Factoring in these external pressures is critical for building a resilient and sustainable cost-to-serve strategy. Summary: challenges in sustaining cost-to-serve. Sustaining a healthy cost-to-serve is a constant balancing act. On the cost side, pressures like wage inflation, attrition, shrinkage, compliance costs, and rising technology expenses make it harder to keep CTS stable. On the efficiency side, risks such as high AHT, low FCR, poor occupancy, and weak workforce management can inflate cost per interaction. And on the market side, demand volatility, sudden channel mix shifts, uneven automation adoption, and currency fluctuations add further uncertainty. The biggest challenge is maintaining customer experience quality while reducing CTS. Cut costs too aggressively, and you risk SLA breaches and poor CSAT. Let costs rise unchecked, and your margins quickly erode. A healthy CTS requires careful balance, operational discipline, smart automation, and a customer experience-first mindset. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.